John Deere. We're standing in front of a new wheel loader, the L-Series wheel loader. Can you tell us a little bit about this?
You bet, Kurt. So this is our new 524 tool carrier model, and what this is we've brought back an old model linkage from the past. So this is what we used to call our old TC54 linkage, and it's basically in our new 524 tool carrier. And again, like I say, it's really great for having that visibility to the center line of the machine. The really great thing is it's got all of our new L-Series improvements that we brought to all of our other standard Z-bar units. It's got new enhanced production buckets, which have curved side cutters and integrated spill guards, and that improved rollback for increased bucket capacity and material retention. It's got the all-new cab, which has been redesigned from the ground up. It's got more room, more leg room. It's got a new premium seat, and this seat is leather trimmed. It has seat pan adjustment, and it's heated and ventilated, so it's going to be really good for operator comfort. We've got a new dual tilt steering wheel. Again, with that seat and that steering wheel kind of were designed together ergonomically to give the operator the best comfort experience that they can have. We've got our sealed switch module, which has proven really reliable over the years. We've mounted that up on our A-post, so it's in the operator's line of sight. And we've got a new 7-inch high-definition monitor as standard equipment. And together those work really well mounted next to each other on the A-post. We've also included a new option. It's a dedicated rear camera display, and that's located up a little bit higher above the monitor. And what that gives is for those customers who want to have rear camera display on full time, that optional display will give that to them. So it's a really nice feature to add to, again, have that ability to see behind you at all times. The last thing we really did was we updated our pilot controls to electro-hydraulic controls, and the main reason we did this is we know that an extraordinarily high number of utility-sized customers today are using the machines with multiple attachments. So they're buying machines with couplers on them, or quick disconnects, if you will. And the ability to go between the two quickly is important. So not only is it important to have great visibility to the back of the pin hooks to be able to switch the coupler between the two different attachments, which we've greatly improved, but it's also important to have the ability to adjust hydraulic settings when you switch from one to the other. So we have a number of exclusive features on these machines in our EH controls. One is the ability to save those attachment settings. So as you change flow settings for your specific attachment, you're able to save that setting, so the next time you use that attachment, you don't have to reset it. You just basically tell the machine, hey, I've got the forks back on it, or whatever it is you have, and it switches back immediately. We also have something called Bucket Vibrate. It has a lot of good uses. It's really great with dry materials. You can engage the bucket vibrate, and it'll shake that bucket, and it'll basically cascade the material off the edge of the bucket like a little waterfall. And the operator doesn't have to sit there and jiggle the handle to try to get the material to come out. It meters out very smoothly, and he's able to just watch the scale. And then when he gets the exact amount of feed he wants, he just lets go of the button, and it'll turn off. And then the third thing we have are called multi-function buttons, and what these are programmable buttons. We don't want to have 10 buttons, so we have 2 buttons that are programmable. There's like I say, there's 10 different features you can program into that button: bucket vibrate, diff lock, the horn, your kick down button, and so on. But again, different applications might require different preferences, so it allows those different guys to program what they want into the machine.